Hello, welcome back to Bible study. We're on question 9 of the Westminster Shorter Catechism. And this one will probably be a quick one. So here it is. Question 9. What is the work of creation? Answer. The work of creation is God's making all things of nothing by the word of his power in the space of 6 days, and all very good. Here in the first part of the answer we see God creating all things from nothing. Sometimes you will hear this referred to as the Latin phrase creatio ex nihilo, which simply means out of nothing. Creatio ex nihilo. It's an interesting word. Latin. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. This is to say that there was nothing material in existence until God created it by the word of his power. In other words, he spoke the universe and all that is in it into existence. Now let us look at some passages in Scripture. Our first text is in the book of Genesis, chapter 1, verse 1. We are using the New American Standard Bible today. So Genesis 1, verse 1 reads, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." Then we'll go to Psalm 33, verse 6. And that reads, "By the word of the Lord the heavens were made, and by the breath of his mouth all their hosts." And verse 9 of the same psalm, Psalm 33, verse 9, "For he spoke, and it was done. He commanded, and it stood fast." The next part in the answer states that God created the universe in 6 days. And we can read this in the first chapter of Genesis, verses 1 through 31. Now, verses 5, verse 8, verse 13, verse 19, verse 23, and verse 31 read, "And there was evening, and there was morning." At the end of every verse there, followed by the day's number. So we see 6 24-hour days. And you can go and read Genesis 1 through 31. Genesis 1, verse 1 through 31. And you'll see this. But we'll go to our next text, which is in Genesis 1, 31. "God saw all that he had made, and behold, it was very good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the 6th day." So question 9. What is the work of creation? Answer. The work of creation is God's making all things of nothing by the word of his power in the space of 6 days, and all very good. Until next time, God bless.